Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will have lecture number 18 from social studies and page number 15 in revision. So I am on page number 15 now. Look at the question number 1. Look at the pictures below. Match the correct name to each picture, then tell your teacher what each one is used for. Okay, so look on your right side. Uh, on your left side you have a picture of a soap and a handkerchief and a toothpaste, and on left side if you see we have a nail clipper, a towel and a comb. So we'll match these with your names on the picture. And now look at the part B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, I use dash and dash to wash my hands. I use soap and water to wash my hands. 2, I use dash to cut my nails. I use nail clippers to cut my nails. And number 3, I use a dash to keep my nose clean. I use a handkerchief to keep my nose clean. Number 4, I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. Number 5, I comb my hair to look neat. Now part C, pick the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is dash hot, sunny or cold. So we wear warm clothes. हम गर्म कपड़े कब पहनते हैं? When it's cold. Number 2, we dash our clothes to make them clean. Wash, brush or dry. We wash our clothes to make them clean. Part 3, when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should dash. Part A, fold them neatly. B, put them on the floor. So when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should fold them neatly. Okay, so learn this page very carefully. Thanks.